welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. Thank you so much for coming to watch this video. Today I am sharing my Outgoing Bridgerton swap. This was hosted by the cheeky bum Lacey. My partner was, I do believe you say her name, Janie. It's Janye. I'm assuming that's it. Lacey said, just think flowers, tea, things like that. I had not seen Bridgerton. My mom has watched it. I had planned on watching it before I did this swap, but I just did not get a chance to binge that. I do like things from that era, so I'm kind of familiar with that. So I picked up my swap partner this Lady Whistled Down Society papers. It's just like a journal type of thing, just a blank journal. And then I got her this Regency era. You had to make a tag flip, a handmade card, an MDC or an ATC, and I think there was a $5 store-bought gift. So I got her this, like you can just cut it up and collage it or use it for, you know, anything like that. So there's that. And Lacey wanted some creative packaging, and I didn't do creative packaging, so I bought this keepsake box. I thought that'd be great. She can use it again. So here is my tag flip. So I just put this little dangle one here. It's got some, just a little bit of, well, I did like a little tassel, some seam binding, some fuzzy trim, and some little pearls and some gold rice beads. So here's my front tag. I cut this out on my Cricut, and I just used these dies, layering dies that I had, and I took some liquid pearls. I couldn't even tell you what color they are, and put some little pearls around her neck, put a butterfly here. This collection is Brighton by Bo Bunny. It had this little tag in here, so I took this little tag and stamped it with like some music notes and vintage photo. And I tied this little ribbon on there, put some buttons on here, a little teacup back here. I put some liquid pearls on there, some trim. I put all these little gold pearls on here. And then, so I put these little pieces of vellum in between so things didn't get stuck. And this was in the ephemera of the Brighton, so I thought this was really cute. This paper had birds on it, so I went to like a little bird theme here and some butterflies. Oh, on the backs of these I put little pockets, and I just put all these chipboard ephemeras in here for her. And this is a little wildflower, so I cut these all out with a die that I have, and I put some glossy accents on every one of those, made them all real shiny. Put a couple buttons here and some little butterflies here that I had gotten on a Facebook Market D-stash. I tied this with some little twine right here. Put some ribbon back here. And then these are some little teacups. This KS Craft teacup die. So I'm not good at shakers at all. But anyway, I put some tulle back here and some little pearls, string through here, some flowers. It says beautiful day. This is a vellum piece. Then I took some of Carrie's dewdrops and put them in here and gifted her some dewdrops. I put some little pearl half backs on the back here. So when you take it out, that's what that looks like. Here's the back with some pockets and ephemera. And then this says, "You're so lovely." And these are little doily dresses. This was the first time I tried to make these dresses. I followed a tutorial from Crafter's Treats. I will link her channel. I'll link everybody's channel in the description. They turned out pretty well for my first time making them. And I added some little bows right there, some little nail charm bows. And so that is my tag flip. And then you had to make an ATC card. So I went kind of matchy-matchy with that. I rounded the edges off. I put a doily back here. Just popped it up on some different colored. There's some foam back there. I put all these little pearls around here. I put the little pearls on her neck. This is chipboard. It says beautiful. And this has my information on the back. Then I just made her this little card here. We have to make a handmade card, but this is just telling her thank you for swapping with me. And then I made these little shakers, and I tell you, I didn't decorate them. I felt like she could decorate them if she uses those for a swap to go with, you know, usually this color here. This is the collection, but usually this color here will go with a lot of things that we make. These are probably the best shakers I've ever made, and they're not perfect, of course. I just made those for her, and I added some little tassels, this little hat, a little parasol charm, these little fuzzy beads, and these glass little flower beads. Overlook my nails, they're horrid. And then I just gifted her some little doilies. And here is my handmade card. It would probably cost you 2 stamps to mail this. For some reason, my cards are always so heavy. I didn't stamp anything on the inside. I felt like she could probably do that. That's my card. And then I gifted her this flower die. Paper roses. And I made this bag topper. Put all these little pearls on here. Happy people are the prettiest people. Another one of those dresses. And I just gifted her some of the little half-back pearls that I used throughout this. Look what I did. I put that bow upside down. There's nothing I can do about that now. And then I gifted her some of this. This is, you put it in your hair, like when you braid your hair and stuff. But when it comes apart, it's real thin, dainty gold thread. So I bought a bunch of this on clearance at Walmart, and I love it. So I gifted her a good bit of that. She can use that for a long, long time. This is a KS Craft die. I made this bag topper. It says sweet stuff, and she's got some Mike and Ike's candies in here. And then I Googled like candy from back in that era. And so I guess this is established 1921. So this is like forest fruit drops. So this is what came up on Amazon. So I bought her these, and I put this little bow on there. Then I just made her some little flowers and put them in this little frosted bag. So cute. I love those little bags. I found these books at the Dollar Tree, and they are like, this is an interactive romance novel. I'm not exactly sure. And this is Mr. Malcolm's List. It says this became a motion picture. That is my swap to her, and I hope she enjoys everything. I really did have a lot of fun with this, and I'm going to stick everything right down in here. What can't get squished. I need to put that in a bag. And I will just be sending this all right out to her. And I hope she enjoys. If you want to go follow her on Instagram, that would be great. I do not think she has a channel here on YouTube. I'm not 100% positive about that, but I'm not sure. If I can find a YouTube channel, I will. Here is just an extra one of these. So I'm just going to lay this in here. And then I made a whole bunch, or not a whole bunch, but some of these little flowers here to put on the top with her tissue paper. I thank you, Lacey, for having me in the swap. I hope my swap partner likes everything, and I appreciate you all coming to watch this video. I hope you have a fantastic morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of day it is you're watching this video. I hope you're having fun. Thank you. Bye.